Welcome to our newest subscribers. Glad you joined us. Just so you know, our channel has 4 types of videos: episodes, vlogs, shorts, and live streams.
Today is Mess Up Nancy's Boat day. Big time. We sold the generator, so the guy's coming to get it. It's rainy, it's cold. Perfect day for this. But anyway, my job is to get that wire out of the boat. So, here we go.
That's right, we have everything from the lazarette in the boat. We're getting rid of the generator. It's probably on the camera, sorry. So we're getting rid of the big 3.5 kilowatt generator. We don't really need it anymore. There's solar and whatnot. Oh, this is not easy. We got all the engine mounts off. Here's the sound box. Wiring switches. And now I have to get the fuel lines off, and the exhaust hoses are really hard to move. They've been in there for 15, maybe 10 years. I don't know how old it is. Or I can't remember. I do know, I can't remember. I'll show you the generator, and then we're gonna get back to work. I won't be showing you the uninstall because our hands will be busy uninstalling. So. So the generator has been really good to us. We've had AC on anchor. We made a lot of gallons of water in the Bahamas with it. And even some up here in the Chesapeake. It's been good to us. Charged batteries. Worked underway. You didn't see all the times it was good. I only showed the times when we repaired something on it. What kind of video would it be if I showed you it works? Like, that's not important. So you saw the impeller changes and the troubleshooting the electrical and changing the relay. Learned a lot about diesel engines with that generator, so that's been good. And the fella picking it up, this nice guy from the East Coast here. And I think he's going to put it on a sport fisher, so he'll be able to run his AC and do whatever he needs to do. It's going to be awesome for him. And there might be a portable generator in the works for us. Might even be a propane-based one. But we'll share more about that later. Just wanted to give you a quick update about today's project. That's why we're in Deltaville doing projects. Alright, thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next time.